Hi kids, Miss Rosie here. Today, let's talk about the letter G. Uppercase G and the lowercase g. The letter G makes the sound G. Let's make it together. G. In today's lesson, we will identify some vocabulary words of the letter G or the sound G. We'll also spot out the letter G amongst other letters. We'll move on to learn how to properly write the letter G. But before we start these activities, let's sing the letter G song. It goes like this. Let's make the letter sound. Let's make the letter sound. Let's make the letter sound. G, G, G. Let's make the letter sound. Let's make the letter sound. Let's make the letter sound. G, G, G. G, G, goat. G, G, grapes. G, G, gate. G, G, goose. G, G, girl. G, G, glass. G, G, gloves. G, G, green. G, G, guitar. G, G, grass. G, G, garden. G, G, gold. Let's make the letter sound. Let's make the letter sound. Let's make the letter sound. G, G, G. Let's make the letter sound. Let's make the letter sound. Let's make the letter sound. G, G, G. It's time for us to name some vocabulary words of the letter G or the sound G. Let's start with the first word. We have grapes. Our next word we have grass. Let's say it together. Grass. G, 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 grass. Let's move on to our next word. We have the color green. Green starts with the letter G or the sound G. Next we have goose. Let's say it together. Goose. G, 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 goose. Girl. Girl starts with the sound G. Our next word we have garden. Let's say it together. Garden. Gift. Gift. Let's say it together. Gift. The word gift starts with the sound G. Our last word we have glass. Glass. Remember, there are lots and lots of vocabulary words of the letter G or the sound G. Can you write the letter G? It's time for us to learn how to write the uppercase and the lowercase g. Let's start with the uppercase G.
We start with the uppercase G. To write the uppercase G, we start at the top of the corner. Then we write a curved line all around. Then in the middle, we draw a straight line to connect. Let's try it again. A curved line all around, then a straight line in the middle to connect. Now you try it alone. Curved line all around, then a straight line in the middle to connect. Great job! we move on to the lowercase g. To write the lowercase g, we start by doing a curved line in the middle, then a straight line down and then curve. Let's try it again. A curved line in the middle, then a straight line down and then curve at the bottom. Let's try it again. Curve in the middle, then a straight line and then you curve at the bottom. Great job!
It's time for us to spot the letter G amongst other letters. Are you ready? Awesome!
Help me spot out the letter G. When you do, make the sound G. I just spotted my first G. G. The second G. Let's make the sound together. G. The third G. Let's make the sound together. G. Where is the fourth G? Here we found it. G. Let's find the last G. There it is. Let's make the sound together. G. Great job, kids.
I believe you had a great time with me. For more educative and fun videos, kindly click on the subscribe button. Share and like our videos. Kids Corner, we are the best.